love.
Yo, what's up guys? Another YouTube video, and today we're going to be doing a Q&A. So I asked on Instagram and Twitter to ask me fashion questions, female or male related. And by the way, I have my tea here, so. First question is Zara or Forever 21? Zara. That's because Zara is the more high-end fast fashion store. What's your go-to casual fit? So I've never really thought about that before, but if I had to say on the top of my mind, black distressed jeans, white shirt or black shirt, some kind of plain shirt with a jean jacket. How tight should your jeans be? As tight as you want. Who's your inspiration? I don't even know, to be honest. Favorite places to shop? Zara, of course. Forever 21, I guess. I pick something from Zoomies once in a while. Stop by some thrift stores and some online stores that I can't even think about right now. How did you get started into streetwear? I guess one day I just wanted to be somebody different or better myself. I don't really know. But I just know that one day I just got up, hopped on YouTube or Google, how to get into streetwear, how to do fashion, how to be more fashionable, how to be more stylish, how to get into menswear. Yeah, because first I didn't even start the streetwear. I was into like menswear, like slacks and suits and shit. What are some good pants for males, and are you big on wearing chinos? Lately, but I wore a couple chinos in my day, but no, I'm not big on them. I like this distressed jeans with flowers on them, but good pants. It's anything high quality, really. I mean, it don't really have to be streetwear, some distressed jeans, you know, it's anything that's will last long, good fabric, good production. Is it fashion if I just walk outside naked?
911.
How to cut pants, shirt, or jackets? I actually do a little distressing of myself. I distressed a couple jeans before, jean jackets, so maybe I'll do a video. I don't know, I think distressing is kind of dead. Like, I don't think no one cares about it anymore, but if you guys want it, I'll give it to you. Dumbest trend in women's clothing. I don't know what time period this was, but I just remember seeing on Instagram a lot where girls would have like track pants with boots on, like fancy boots on. Like that was just not a good idea at all. Just the dumbest trend of all is just like ripped shirts. I hated that. I don't want to see that ever again, unless you're Kanye. And this is the last question, guys, but how did you find your own style? So, how did I find my own style? That's such a long answer, but I'll give it to you short. But I'll be making a video on how to find your own style, and how I found mine, and how I'll shed some light on how to find yours. But it just takes a lot of like practice. Like to truly find your own style, like it doesn't just come to you. Like you need to research, you need to truly discover yourself. You need to go on a spiritual journey to really understand your own style. You know, your own style is not just like, yeah, my style is streetwear. My style is men's fashion. My style is menswear. Street smart. No, it's not a style. It is a style, but it's like, it's not truly yours. Like, what's unique to you? So, but I guess I found my own style by just truly exploring a lot. You know, how I said in what I said in the beginning, well, not the beginning, but like what I said earlier, like I used to be into like menswear, like street smart, like suits and chinos, and just not a good place. No one really knows about that because I didn't really show it. Then it's also like research into it. Like you need to check out like other people, what they're doing. You need to get inspiration, like who's like what's cool now, like what's going on now. How do you feel about these things, these trends, the way people are styling themselves? And then you also need to learn the history. This is all from my point of view, like the history of fashion. Like you need to know the trends back then, how they catch up to now. How you need to understand how style is always recycled, because nothing's original anymore. Like it's not like this big light bulb thing. It's just that like over time you develop, you'll understand what you are and what your style is, and it will show through people you hang out with, who do you like, who's your inspiration. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. That was the last question. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And if you want to follow my Instagram, you can. And I will see you guys later.